Hello and welcome to this tutorial. I'm Robin from DxO, and in this video we explore the PureRAW workflows we can use with Adobe Lightroom. DxO PureRAW 4 integrates seamlessly with Lightroom, making it simple to use. There are two possible workflows which we cover in this video. The first is using the PureRAW plugin for Lightroom, and the other is using the PureRAW standalone application to export process files. The PureRAW plugin was automatically installed to Lightroom when you installed PureRAW. To process a RAW file, select it in the Lightroom Library module. You can also select multiple files to process simultaneously by holding down the Command key on a Mac or the Control key on a Windows PC when clicking. There are then two possible ways to launch the PureRAW plugin. The first is to click the Lightroom File menu and then come down to the Plugin Extras submenu. You will then see the PureRAW options to choose from. Alternatively, we can right-click on one of our selected images in the Lightroom grid view. Then, in the Export submenu, we can see two PureRAW options for processing. I'll choose the Process and Preview option for this demonstration. When the PureRAW plugin launches, we see a split-screen preview of our image. We can use this preview to check the effect of our settings before starting to process the RAW file. I'll use the new DeepPRIME XD2 processing method for this image, as well as the optical corrections. And I'll choose to output a DNG file to the same folder as the original RAW file. I can then click the Process Now button to process it immediately. My selected RAW files are then processed, after which I can export them to Lightroom or view the results in PureRAW. It's also possible to start your workflow with the DxO PureRAW standalone application. With PureRAW open, choose the RAW file or files that you want to enhance. As we've already looked at the Process with Preview option in the Lightroom plugin example, I'll click the Process button. We now see the settings that will be used to process the RAW files. When I move my mouse pointer over the corrections, you can see an Edit option appear. Click this to open and change the settings to use. You can also do the same thing to edit the output settings, where you can see that PureRAW is set to export to Lightroom. When you're happy with the settings, you can either click to add the file to the processing queue or click the Process Now button. When the processing is complete, we automatically switch to Lightroom and the import process starts. After adding our image to Lightroom, we're then able to benefit from the enhanced DNG quality of DxO PureRAW 4. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website, dxo.com.